If you want to learn how to get many rows using Supabase in N8n, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is a simple but powerful setup if you want to pull multiple records from your database and use them in your automation workflows. Whether you're building a content system, a reporting flow, or just connecting your database to other tools. This method will save you time and make your workflow much more efficient. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. Make sure you're in the correct project and that you're editing the automation where you want to retrieve your Supabase data. Once the workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel and look for Supabase. You can use the search bar if needed, which makes it faster to find the node. After that, select the Supabase node from the list and add it to your workflow. Now that the node has been added, open its settings and choose Get Many Rows. This is the option you want when you need to return multiple rows from a table instead of just a single record. It's especially useful when you want to work with lists of users, products, entries, or any other dataset stored in Supabase. Next, choose the credential you want to use. If you already have a Supabase credential saved in N8n, select it from the dropdown. If not, you'll need to create one before continuing. Using the correct credential is important because it connects N8n securely to your Supabase project and gives the node access to the database you want to query. After selecting the credential, configure what to get. This is where you tell N8n exactly which data you want to pull from Supabase. Set the table name, adjust any filters if needed, and define the fields or conditions for the rows you want returned. If you want all matching rows, keep the query broad. If you only want specific records, apply the right filters so the output is clean and relevant. Once everything is configured, you can test the node to make sure it returns the rows you expect. That's the basic process for getting many rows using Supabase in N8n. Open the workflow, add the Supabase node, choose Get Many Rows, select your credential, and configure the data you want to retrieve. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick N8n how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.